In today's video, I'm going to show you IKEA Solskydd Review 2026, worth buying or just decor. The IKEA Solskydd series isn't a curtain or blind at all. It's a trio of Bluetooth speakers IKEA launched in late 2025 and rolling out into 2026 that blur the line between sound device and home decor piece. Designed in collaboration with Swedish colorist Tekla Evelina Severin, these speakers come in multiple sizes, about 8, 11, and 18 diameter, and bold fabric-wrapped finishes that make them look more like art objects or serving trays than typical black box speakers. They're meant to be displayed prominently on shelves, walls, or stands, and can even sync together or with compatible IKEA speakers for multi-speaker setups. In everyday use, the Solskydd line is functional and surprisingly capable for the money. The smallest model is genuinely portable with up to around 25 hours of battery life and a decent 80 plus dB output, perfect for casual listening or background tunes. The mid and large models step up to bigger drivers and extra EQ presets for richer sound and can be used in stereo pairs. Spotify tap support means you can start your music with a tap from the app, and because they're Bluetooth only, setup is painless, though you won't find Wi-Fi or advanced smart features here. Whether they're worth buying depends on your needs. If you want audiophile grade performance or advanced smart integrations like AirPlay, voice assistants, or Wi-Fi mesh audio, these won't compete with higher-end brands. But if you're after affordable audio gear that doubles as a conversation-starting design piece, a speaker that feels like part of your interior, Solskydd is a solid pick and often outshines basic Bluetooth boxes in both looks, sound, quality. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.